Mermaids love to have fun. They play. And you know what? Through that play, they build endurance, they build muscle, and they have fun. Exercise shouldn't be boring. And you know what? Have you ever seen a fat mermaid? I didn't think so. So, find some water, let's get in and be mermaids. Welcome back to Making of a Mermaid. This is going to be our last session together in the pool, and today we're going to do some cardio and some more aggressive things than we've been doing. So put your swimsuit on, get your mermaid tail out, you ready to go? Here we go. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start by treading water. Do that any way you want. Again, in a deeper pool that's easier. Use your arms, use your legs, and see if you can do some intervals. Try treading water as fast as you can for 30 seconds, and then rest. See if you can build up to a minute or more. Let's try to increase that endurance. It's good for us overall, and it'll translate out of the pool as well. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to pick a spot on the bottom of the pool, and I just want you to jump over it. Maybe they're little jumps. Maybe big ones. Again, I want you to play, have fun. Jump up, jump down, jump sideways, jump forward, jump backward. Move your arms. And try to do it for 30 seconds. And then rest. Anytime we can get your heart rate up, it's a great thing. Let's work on some ab work, shall we? We're going to work on crunches again, and I want you to bring your knees to your shoulders. And you're going to feel this in no time. Use those arms. The noodle is just helping you stay afloat. Go to the side. And the other side. You should be getting tired. Again, try it through time. Try to do 10. See how many you can get done in 30 seconds. It's all about play. Playing with your body, playing with time, seeing what you're capable of. Another thing that we can do is we can sit on our noodles and swim. This is great for balance and upper body. You could race your kids. I'm all about having fun. If you really want to work out, I'm going to grab the wall on the other side of the pool and show you some kicking, okay? Kicking is a fantastic leg and ab workout. Trust me, I've done plenty. Follow me and let's go.
Grab the top of the wall and let's start with a nice slow bicycle kick. Get everything warmed up. Then lower your hands and we're going to start with a flutter kick. Nice and quick at the top of the water. You'll feel this everywhere. Lower your legs for more resistance and kick under the water. You can alternate. We're going to switch to some butterfly kicking, which comes from the tummy and the hips. It's an up and down kick. Get your mermaid on. Let's try a side view. Flutter kick at the top of the water. You can kick slow or fast. See if you can get that water churning. And butterfly. from the hips and the abs. Kicking up, down, up, down, up, down. Put your face where it needs to go.
Again, kicking intervals are the way to go. As you can tell, even I'm a little out of breath. I tried to give you a side view and a back view so that you can see what I'm doing. I understand it's hard on video, but I hope that you'll give it a try and play with it a little. Then we can do a little bit of running. Run backward. You gotta fight the waves that you make the faster you go. Switch to jumping again. Get some of those good old Jane Fonda moves in there. Kick your heels to your bottom. Whatever. I hope you've learned in the last several weeks that as long as you're playing and you're moving and you're getting your heart rate up, it's wonderful stuff. So the next time that your doctor tells you to get in the pool, I hope you have some wonderful ideas and ways that you can do that. Do me a favor. Leave a comment in the comment section on YouTube and let me know what you think. I hope you had fun, and I hope you're feeling more and more like a mermaid every day. Bye!